In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Basecamp, a tool known for its simplicity and effectiveness in project management. Whether you're new to Basecamp or looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will walk you through setting up a project from scratch, ensuring you're ready to hit the ground running with your next big idea. To kick things off, you'll first need to log into your Basecamp account. If you're not sure how to do this, simply go to the Basecamp website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your home screen. This is where you'll find all your existing projects, but today we're going to focus on starting something new. So, direct your attention to the button labeled Make a New Project, or you might see it as a plus New Project button, often prominently displayed for easy access. Clicking this button will open up a form or a pop-up window. You'll be prompted to fill out some essential information about your project, which helps in organizing and making it easily identifiable. The first field to fill out is the project name. Be clear and descriptive here. This is how you'll recognize the project at a glance in the future. Consider names like Marketing Campaign 2025 or Client Onboarding Portal as exemplars of succinct but informative naming conventions. Next, you'll be asked to provide a description. This is an opportunity to flesh out some details about what this project will entail. A short summary goes a long way in helping your team and any stakeholders understand the project's purpose right from the start. For instance, you might write, "This project will manage all campaign assets, timelines, and client communications for Q1 2025. Notice how this brief description quickly outlines the scope and focus of the project. In this setup phase, you also have the option to invite teammates to join in on the project. Collaboration is key in project management, and Basecamp makes it easy by letting you invite team members who will work alongside you. If your organization involves clients in the process, Basecamp gives you the flexibility to choose whether they can view the project at this stage. Once you're satisfied with your project name and description, and you've decided who you'd like to invite, it's time to finish setting up your project. Simply click the button labeled Create this project or Create Project, and just like that, your new project is live. With these steps, you've successfully created a new project in Basecamp. You're now ready to start organizing tasks, scheduling work, and communicating with your team, all within this streamlined platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your next project off the ground effortlessly.